We will win. One evening, 67-year-old Thomas Edison came back from the lab. He ate, and after a long day, he is going for rest. Suddenly, a worker from his factory came to him. Fire in the factory. His factory is on fire. His home is nearby. When he went there, four engines are trying to stop the fire, but the factory is on fire because of chemicals in the factory and not getting stopped by anything. There are blue and green fire flames from the factory. Sir Edison has his everything in that factory. His lab, his research, his invention and prototypes were there. That factory was his lifelong hard work, which is burning like a firework. Every employee was so sad to see that. Edison saw everything and then he said to his son, "Go call your mother and family members. This colorful fire, they are not going to see this again." His son was wondering. Edison says, "Nothing to worry. There is a mess in the factory. We get rid of it." That man's lifelong hard work is burning in the front of him, and his reactions was full of wonder. Sir Edison can cry, be angry, and can go into depression, but there is nothing he can get from it. He didn't waste his time in anger and frustration. He knew that if you are going with after a big fish, then you have to deal with big risks. Whatever we do, we should like its goods and bads, benefits and losses, hardness and competition, all of these. The next day, Sir Edison says to the news reporter that today I am 67-year-old and I am going to start my new career from tomorrow. He also says that I was too busy last night dealing with fire and I can handle it at all. When the factory is on fire that night, 250 workers were missing. But the next day, total of 7,000 workers are there and they started building the factory again. Sir Edison takes a big loan from Henry Ford and in the next 3 weeks, half of the factory's work started. And in the next month, workers are doing work in 2 shifts. After the accident, it's like Sir Edison has a new energy and he started new projects, and that year Edison and his investor done 5 times more business than last year business. The biggest problem to face failures and setbacks is expectations. We have a belief in our minds that we don't want failure. Our lives always be good. That's why if anything happens, that belief become active and start putting questions in our head like, why always me? What is my mistake in that? Why I'm so unlucky? Right now, if we leave that expectations that our life is going to be good and accept whatever had happened, then our reaction become positive and right questions comes to our head. To take it one step forward, anything happens to you, don't avoid that, don't run from that, don't tolerate that, but with all hands accept that. What means to accept? Whatever we accept, anything, then we are not going to blame our luck or anybody else. We'll learn from it and gain new experiences. Sir Edison knows that he has to pay back investor and have to take a big loan for the factory and going to start everything from the start and going to spend hours in the lab, but he accept all of these. When you accept everything, then you don't have to fight with negative emotions and you can centralize your energy in the right way, and that impacts more than anything. But are these emotions are so important? Absolutely. Now neuroscientists are also saying that emotion leads to our feelings and our feelings leads to our thoughts and our thoughts leads to our actions and our actions leads to our results. We are going for self mastery. Small and big failures are going to come in our way and we can frustrate from them